Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the ultimate guide to using Instagram hashtag. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel here, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about social media marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hashtag help organize the photos and videos on Instagram. They are used to identify and filter content on a specific topic so your community, your fans, and your Instagram wanderers have a better shot at finding your Instagram account. You can add up to 30 hashtags in your post, but there's no benefit in using irrelevant hashtags just to make up the quota. Doing research is the first step to a successful Instagram hashtag strategy. Browse similar Instagram accounts, find out what industry-specific hashtag they use, and look for hashtags that are more likely to be searched by Instagram communities of your niche. If you follow a strategy and include the right hashtags, your post will be discovered by more people easily. It will help to increase your reach and engagement and gain new followers, but on one condition. This new audience must be interested in your content, of course. At the end of the day, content quality is the most important factors that drive traffic to your Instagram account. Using hashtag on Instagram is easier than you might think, and we gathered some tips and tools to help you level up your Instagram strategy. How to use hashtag and get high engagement on your Instagram. There are three main ways that you can use hashtag on Instagram. In Instagram posts, Instagram stories, and on IGTV. Let's take a closer look for each of them. Instagram posts. You can add up to 30 hashtags and tag up to 20 accounts to increase your chance to being featured on other pages. Add alternative tags to your post to rank on Google. Mark up to 5 products per image. And for Instagram business accounts owners, you also need to enable the shopping. There's one more way how to increase your Instagram engagement. To beat Instagram algorithms and get a better reach, try to get as many likes and comments as you can within the first hour of posting. There are plenty of Instagram engagement posts created just for this purpose, where users help each other grow their following. Group members like and comment posts on Instagram after they publish, and which help boost the engagement, increase visibility, and attract. Group members like and comment posts on Instagram right after they publish, which help boost engagement, increase visibility, and attract new followers. There is no single formula for maximizing the reach of your Instagram posts, so it's up to you to create one. It's all about experiments and analyzing your account's performance, and be active and interact with other Instagram accounts. Drive as much action as you can to Instagram posts or DM groups, and monitor overall account performance too. Instagram stories. You can add up to 10 hashtags, mention up to 10 accounts, include a location, poll, question, countdown, quiz, donation stickers, and even you can also add GIF photo. Tag one product, and for the business account with shopping enabled, Instagram Stories is a feature used by 500 million Instagram users daily. Not only they are fun and creative, but they're also organized by hashtag that you can follow. Whatever hashtag that you decide to use, Instagram will add your stories to the hashtag search for the last 24 hours. If we look at the current trend for Instagram stories, people educate, inspire, share behind the scene of the business or event, demonstrate their product or services, organize the Q&A session, share feedback reviews, and so much more. Introduce yourself or your business and show what's behind it. You'll see the more stories you add, the more engagement that you will receive. Next, let's talk about IGTV or Instagram TV. You can add up to 30 hashtags, add clickable links in the caption, and add a cover photo and share IGTV videos to Instagram feed. Most accounts can upload IGTV video up to 10 minutes long, but for larger and verified account, video uploaded from a computer can be up to 60 minutes. So how to find the right hashtag for your brand? Hashtag help Instagram recognize your post is about the system that picks the most relevant content to go to the explore page for audience following accounts that post content similar to yours. Thousands of hashtags are used every day, and using the most popular tags won't make your post more discoverable. Your content will disappear among any other posts. So focus on trending hashtag connected with your account, business, and target audience. However, be careful using pop culture reference. It will help you reach like-minded Instagrammers, but you don't want to risk losing your brand name and identity among your hashtags that overshadow your presence. Now, for an example on how to go about creating hashtag for your account. Let's say your name is John and you run a barbershop in Toronto. You have started creating the community around your brand, which is all about embracing natural beauty and being proud of having a gray hair. But how to reflect that in your Instagram account? The good news is you don't have to start from scratch to figure out the best hashtag for your business. So here are the 5 basic types of hashtag or templates on your how to build your hashtag. Branded hashtag. For example, hashtag your brand, and then hashtag gray is gold. Branded hashtag must be unique to your account or your business. Come up with a hashtag that's simple enough for your followers to recognize and use. And it can be your name, maybe your brand name, or your company name, or your slogan, or even a focal concept of your Instagram account. Next, industry hashtag. For example, hashtag barbers, hashtag barbershop, or hashtag haircut. Out of all hashtags used on Instagram, Industry hashtag have the highest competition here. There are millions of people who use them daily, so include just a few industry hashtags to your post that most relevant to your brand. Community hashtag. For examples, hashtag barberfan or hashtag Toronto barbers or hashtag hair addict. Community hashtag connects smaller group of like-minded users. The use of this hashtag make you more discoverable by topic, niche, location, and so on. And there is a higher possibility to gain followers organically and grow your own community. So community hashtag is one of good strategy that you can use. Next, content hashtag. The example of content hashtag is gonna be hashtag beard care or hashtag how to fade hair or hashtag trending haircut. Try to think like your customer and find out what they would search for. Content hashtag help you engage with your target audience out there and looking for inspiration, new ideas or instructions. So for example, hashtag how to. So these are highly used on Instagram and can be a good start for building up your hashtag strategy. Next, campaign hashtag. Examples, hashtag hair marathon or hashtag silver Toronto or hashtag what barbers do. Planning your next marketing campaign, event or special offer, and create a campaign hashtag and ask people to engage with it, or be a part of a larger movement and add event hashtag that are happening right now. This is the great way to connect with others and improve your chance to be discovered by local or global audience. Alright friends, so in this video I have explained the ultimate guide to using Instagram hashtag. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find this information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. So, and if you have a question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please watch my other two videos here. This video will give you some tips and tricks related to social media marketing. So you have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.